In this specific question, we shall form linear inequalities from the word problems given. A school decided to buy at least 32 bags of maize and beans. So we don't know the exact number of maize, that is the number of bags of maize and the number of bags of beans. So let's let the number of bags of maize to be X bags and the number of bags of beans to be Y bags. Now, the number of bags of beans were to be at least 6. When we say at least, we mean greater than or equal to. So the number of bags of beans, which were Y, were greater than or equal to 6. So that's the first inequality that we can draw from that statement. While that of maize is greater than 20. We had X bags of maize, they were greater than 20, so it means that the inequality sign for that is X is greater than 20. That is the second inequality we can get from that. Now, a bag of maize costs shilling 2,500 and a bag of beans costs shilling 2,500. So if one bag of maize costs shilling 2,500, then X bags will cost how much? It will cost 2,500X, because if you cross multiply, it is 2,500 times X, while one bag of beans is equal to 3,500. Therefore, Y bags of beans will cost shilling 3,500Y. We will cross multiply to get that. Now, the school was allowed to use only 100,000. It means then that the cost of maize, which is 2,500X, plus the cost of beans, which is 3,500Y, should be less than or equal to 100,000. The school was allowed to use all the 100,000 or less than 100,000, and that statement is a statement that says had. They had only 100,000, which means then they were allowed to use the 100,000 itself or should spend less than that. So we can simplify this inequality by dividing 100 on all 25x plus 35y is less than or equal to simplified further will be, we can divide 5 is the same as 5x plus 7y is less than or equal to, if we divide this one 5 is the same as 200. School decided to buy at least 32 bags of maize. At least 32 bags of maize. At least means greater than or equal to. So if we add the number of bags of maize plus the number of bags of beans, which are X plus Y, that should be greater than or equal to 32.